Okay, so now what I want to do, I'm going to just restart this quick. Okay, so I am back again, and I've got my hot module replacement working here. So if I just go like this quick, you should be able to see. Hot module success with 3 exclamation marks. Booyah. Let's see if that works. That's gonna work. Booyah. That's working. Okay, and then I can also update my colors on the fly. So that's cool. So now what I want to do is I want to set up Vue. Well, first thing that I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just fix my index.html to not have that right now because I'm still in dev mode. And that should hopefully get rid of that error that I've got there where it's trying to see now. Okay, first thing I want to do is I want to pull you out. Okay, next I want to go to Vue with Webpack. Okay, no, Vue loader is what I want. So let's stop you and go and install my assets. I'm going to stop you as well, and I'm actually going to close terminal. All right. Okay. So npm install save dev. I need the Vue loader for Webpack and the template compiler. Then in here, let me close all of these and get my Webpack config going. And then I want to, in here under rules, I want to test for Vue files. And then I want to use the Vue loader. And I see that there's a plugin that I need to bring in. So let's bring in the plugin and add it to the plugins. Down here, what I'm going to do is add a new Vue loader plugin. No, I don't think I'll need Bagel. I'm not going to be doing the style blocks in the Vue because I don't like doing that. So let me go, whoa, and start the Vue, because what I want to do is, yeah, that's fine actually. So in here, I'm going to, let's start with the guide. So I should, have I installed Vue? No, so I need to install Vue. And then I want to go import Vue, zip Vue from Vue. And then in here, I'm going to say, I'm going to take this away. I'm going to go constant app is equal to a new Vue instance. The element is going to be, just use it as is. message hello Vue, which is cool. And then in my index.html over here, instead of that, I'm going to have a div with the ID of app. What I want to do here is I just want to format my document. Cool, that looks fine to me. And then I am going to go npm start dev. Okay, that was weird. I wasn't supposed to do that. Let me see what's happening with my package. Ah, npm run dev, not npm start dev. Okay. And then I'm just going to, in my other one, npm start. So let me get my dev tools out. Let's see what's going on here. No, it's fine. Yeah. Okay, so I don't. And then view template example. Yeah. Yeah, single file components, that's all well and good, but now I can have all these different apps. But what I want to do is VueJS render template. There, that's what I want. So then I want to go render h app, where app is my app, and that's not going to find it, so I need to go app.view and then go templates and go to hello from app.view. Make sure that works. Run you again. But you're right there. Okay, so now where are you? There you are. Okay, cool. So I've got Vue working. Let's see if I can see if it updates with the HMR. Awesome. Okay, so let me stop that there, actually. Oh, I didn't even start my timer, but that took 10 minutes. And that's a basic Vue app setup right there. Essentially, what you do is everything's going to be branched off of that main view. So this is kind of the bootstrapper for the whole app. And then I don't even think we need to assign that to a variable because it's not going to be used for anything at the moment. And you just give it a target element, and then render the app template. Now we will come in and add Vuex. Maybe I do that now quick. So let's see, Vuex, because this will be my data store. So what was it? Control Shift npm install Vuex. Then I want to go import Vuex. Is it? And then they have an example. Application structure. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a store directory, and then I'm going to put in the base store, and then I'm actually going to check out their example, which is really cool because what I want is in here. I'm going to import Vue. I'm also going to import Vuex, and then I'm going to tell you Vue to use Vuex. Then I'm going to export a new store, and I'm not going to do any it was a very basic, it was supposed to be a basic. Yeah, so I can do a store and make the state and give it just test Vuex store test state data value. Okay, that's cool. And then if I go back here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the shopping cart and then open up the app, and then so this is my app here, and what I want to do is I want to import store from my store, and then I just drop it in. Tell Vue to use the store, and then what I'm going to do is I see here that they've actually got their thing in a components directory, which is nice and clean. So let me do that. Make their source components, and I'm going to move source app.vue to source components. Source scripts, and then move. And then what I'm going to actually do is just kind of grab those two and drag them into there because that's where they were supposed to be, not. So there's my app. My index should be pulling it from there. So I'm just going to give this some space here. So there's my style import, and then my, I'm going to clean this up a little bit quick. because I like things to be clean. So that's my imports from node modules. Modules installed using npm. Local modules styles app bootstrap bootstrap bootstrap. Okay, so now let me go back to here. Compile was successful. Okay. So let me go back to my app, which is not deleted, which is fine because I want you. Oh, okay, so let's restart you. So there's my exclamation mark, taken away, and then in here, let me start a script. Can I? Where is it? Store.state.test. Yeah. But I can also import map state from Vuex and then go computed and go map state. Let me do this as an array. Oh, what have I done wrong now? Yeah, you can only have a single root element. You kind of have to like that. There we go. So there's my data coming from my store. So let's see if this should update with HMR. Rad. Okay, cool. So that's Vue with Vuex set up. I've got my SCSS set up, and yeah, that's cool. Thank you very much for watching. Next up, I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but there will be more videos. So stay tuned. Thank you.